Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about JWT token bypass vulnerability. First of all, we have to understand what this means by JWT token. JWT means JSON Web Token. JWT is for securely transmitting information between parties as a JSON object. It is compact, self-contained, and can be signed and optionally encrypted. JWT consists of three parts: header, payload, and signature. JWT token bypass vulnerability refers to security flaws that can be exploited to bypass the authentication and authorization mechanisms provided by JWTs. Let us log into this page. After that, I will show you how a JWT token looks like. Just enable the intercept so we can capture the communication. See here, cookies session equal to and some red color string has been displayed. This is a JWT token which is encrypted. This is encrypted for ensuring the security in communication. I am sending it to the repeater. Here we can see there is an option for JSON token. If I click on JSON token, I can see the header, payload, and signature separately and encrypted. By default, this option is not enabled in your Burp suite. We should go for Extension tab, then go for B App Store. Then we should install this JWT editor. We can say the username is encoded into the JWT token, that is winner. We can make it as administrator. Whenever we modify the payload, that will affect the real token also. Also modify the ID in the URL. See, we have obtained the administrator account. Let's confirm it's available or not. See, the admin panel is available here. Our objective is to delete the user Carlos, so I am trying to copy the URL leading to the admin account, then only we can delete the Carlos user. But there was no much modification happen in the response, so we will try another approach. I am moving back to the intruder and going to edit the JWT token once again. Now without forwarding directly to intercept and get response to this request. So we can get the response from the server into the burp before reaching the website. See, it is working. We are getting the same details we found in the repeater. See, in the browser we got the admin panel. Now click on this admin panel and intercept that communication also. Now repeat the same process. Edit the JSON with the administrator. Finally, we find the delete option for Carlos user. After forwarding it, we have access to the delete option. Now go for delete Carlos user. This will again intercept the communication. Again we have to edit the JSON with administrator and forward to the server. This is because each communication we have to make sure it originate from the administrator level account. And finally we deleted the Carlos user with the admin level privilege.